Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve Cambridge GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Core, October-November 2020, Variant 1-3. Before we start, do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. The first question, we have been given a bar chart that shows the amount of rainfall in millimeter for each month. Part A, write down the month with the least amount of rainfall. Very easy to see from the graph that it is February. That's our answer. In part B, the bar chart shows the number of days it rained each month for the same year in this city. So these are the number of days and these are the months. Mia says that the months with the most rainfall also have the greatest number of days it rained. Explain why she is wrong. For this, you will have to compare the bar chart from part A. This one shows the months which has the maximum rainfall. We can clearly see that it's September and October. They had the maximum amount of rainfall. But in the number of days, September and October is less, and the number of days it rained most is June. You can write down September and October have the most rainfall, but June has most rain days. Question number 2, we have to complete the bill. 2.5 kilogram of potatoes at 1.12 per kilogram. So for this, 2.5 multiplied by 1.12. We will get 2.8. As it is dollars, we'll write 2.80. To find the kilogram of bananas at the rate of 1.05 per kilogram, we need to know how much did it cost. The total bill we already have. From the total bill, we will subtract 2.80. This will give us 1.89. So this is 1.89. The bill for banana is 1.89 and the kilogram per kilogram it is 1.05. So we divide and that will give us the answer 1.8. You can always check your answer. 1.8 multiplied by 1.05, it should equal to 1.89. Moving to the third question, part A. Write 97.4236 correct to 3 decimal places. Count the number of decimal places and it is still 3. So we have to round it till 3 decimal place. If the number after the place we are rounding is 5 or more, we add 1 to the previous number. So we will get 97.424. In part B, write down the reciprocal of 2. Reciprocal means we just flip over. So if we have 2, it means it is 2 over 1. If there is no number in the denominator, there is always a 1. We can flip it over. That is 1 over 2. That is our answer. Question number 4, write down the order of rotational symmetry of each shape. We have 4 equal shapes, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the rotational symmetry will be 4. In the second diagram, we got 2 same shapes. So the rotational symmetry will be 2. Question number 5. The mean of 7 numbers is 16. 6 of these numbers are given to us. We have to find the 7th number. To find the mean, we add all the numbers. So 12 plus 20 plus 19 plus 10 plus 21 plus 13. And the 7th number which we don't know, let that be written as an x. Divide it by your total numbers. There are 7 numbers. You divide it. This should give you 16. Add the numbers in the numerator. You will get 95 plus x is equal to 16. The 7 in the denominator, move it to the other side. When you do that, it will turn into multiply. 16 multiplied by 7. That will give us 112. So now we have an equation 95 plus x is equal to 112. Shift the 95 to the other side, and again when you shift, the signs will change. So 112 minus 95, we will get 17. So the answer is 17. Question number 8, we have 4 divided by root 0.0025. You just need to put in the calculator. I hope you have a good calculator where you can put it in the fraction form, and the answer is going to be 80. Question number 9. Thor changes 40,000 Icelandic krona into dollars when the exchange rate is 1 krona is equal to $0.0099. Work out how many dollars he receives. When we are writing like that, write krona and dollar. Write the exchange rate. 1 krona is equal to $0.0099. Now he has 40,000 kronas, and we want to see how many dollars he will receive if he exchanges. So in place of dollar, you put X because that is what we want to find. And then we cross multiply. 1 multiplied by X is X, and 0.0099 multiplied by 40,000. This will give us $396. Question number 10. Ethan invests $6,400 at a rate of 2.6% per year simple interest. Calculate the total value of his investment at the end of 3 years. Here we are talking about simple interest. It's a 3-mark question, and it's a very easy question if you know your formulas. Always write down your formulas, in one booklet or somewhere where it is easy to access. You need to know that if you have simple interest, to find the simple interest, we use the formula PRT over 100. P is the principal, that is your starting amount. So interest, and P is 6,400. R is your rate of interest, which is 2.6. And T is time, which is 3, divided by 100. This will give us 499.20. This is our interest. But in this question, they don't want the interest. You have to read the question correctly. They want you to find the total investment. That is our amount. To find the total amount, we add to the principal the interest that we just found. And this will give us 6,899.20 because it is money rounded to 2 decimal places. Question number 11. A straight line L has equation y is equal to 5x plus 12. Write down the gradient of the line L. A straight line equation is always written in the form y is equal to mx plus c, where m is your gradient. Looking at the equation given to us, we can clearly see that our m is 5. So that is our gradient. In part B, we have find the coordinates of the point where the line crosses the x-axis. When it crosses the x-axis, your y is 0. So in place of y, substitute 0 in your main equation, and you have to make x your subject. Shift the 12 to the other side, and when you do that, the sign will become negative. And then divide by 5 both the sides. So what is the value of x? It is negative 12 over 5. They want you to write it as a coordinate. So this is written as first the x value, which is negative 12 over 5, and then your y value, which is 0. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope I have helped you. Please watch part 2 for question number 12 onwards. Thank you for watching.